Knuckles? Knuckles? Oh, you ready? You gonna do that face? Yeah, yeah. No, we got no!
No, you cannot.
Give you me my big. We are printing off words for my song because I'm doing really terrible because I don't know any of the words for my songs.
What are you learning songs for?
Music lesson. Scary.
You'll be this Do good?
She said it was the best I've done on Feeling Good so far.
Really? Why did I get to hear you?
So the first one, I hit the note, but then I cracked at the end. And the second time, I kind of was leery. She noticed. And she said I was like that close to hitting the note, but it was a little flat because I was just a little nervous to do it again. I tried the Cody Simpson song. I didn't know the words.
You didn't know it? I know.
Barely
I feel the same way. I'm like, I know this song, and then you're like, I know the chorus. That's about it.
So I just sitting there waiting for the tide. Waiting for the tide. What's next?
What's next?
I was in the middle of the song. I'm like, I don't really know the words to this song. She's like, okay, so this week you gotta work on the words. Memorize the words. I'm like, okay.
So for me, it was my first time singing with her. I was a little bit terrified, but...
Oh yeah, it was your first time with her. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
I was like impressed with how many vocal warm-ups we were doing. But she was like, okay, I want to figure out what your range is. So let's go down first. Let's go up now. And she was like going way up, and I was like, she was like, okay, you're soprano. I was like, great.
Is that good or bad?
Yeah, I don't know what that meant. I'm gonna look it up later. And then I did Lost Boy for her. This sucked because you know how I do the karaoke version usually? Well, she doesn't do karaoke version. She just does the regular version. And so it's the regular version. But I was like, kept getting distracted by the music video. But it wasn't the real music video. It was some other weird, like, TikTok version of the music video where it's just like they take weird, like, geographical shapes and images and, like, make them, like, 5 of them come out of each other and, like, twist around. And so I was kind of, like, getting distracted.
Seriously, Adri. Seriously? You cannot be a musician on a stage if you're getting distracted by little blocks.
And so she goes high, and I was trying to go low, and I was suddenly like,
Okay, we need to buy the West Side Story soundtrack so I can do it.
Maria.
Maybe someday,
You
but
can
not right now.
Maria.
Maria, Maria, Maria.
You're too far.
What?
Maria, no. Maria.
Maria, Maria, Maria. Ugh, that one. Adri. Anyways.
Real small.
Oh, don't do that! No, stop! Stop!
Hi, I thought you were asleep.
He was until you started scaring him. What are y'all doing?
Playing a fair.
What?
Playing an affair. I'm officially gonna edit this video. It looks too fun. Very much.
How'd it go?
I don't know. It's just weird.
How did she do?
She did good.
She's saying she didn't do good.
She did good. She is doing a lot of new songs with a lot of new words that she's not familiar with yet. So it's a lot to remember. She's getting it.
We stopped back at the bus to go get lunch, and now we're at the library.
Hold the door for you.
Thank you, Jesse. Just be respectful.
To decide what to do with the fact that it happens to us all.
Of course.
From time to time it all comes around, and no one knows the end. We're all building bridges slowly, tearing them down fast to start over. We're all trying to come over memories of the past and start over.
So much for no time at the library. We've been here for like a half an hour already, and everyone seems super comfortable. Like we're not planning on leaving anytime soon.
Yeah, look what I got. Yay!
Everybody ready?
I'll never get that image out of my mind. Perfect. They're fresh.
We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right.
We can rock all night.
Only got so many years.
She just did my eye twitchy thingy.
Bethany?
Yeah.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only need, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun.
Where are you going?
Cave.
What's it called?
Ah.
What's it called?
Big cave.
Say, don't have food in your mouth when you say it.
Big cave.
Emily, what's it called?
Man cave.
It's your man cave?
Come on.
Where do you put a man
Come
cave?
on, Caleb.
Who else could it be?
That's your man cave?
Yep. Let's go in. So comfy in here. Open.
There you go, I got a flashlight. That's your man cave?
Yep.
It looks kind of squishy. It's literally a cave It's literally a man cave.
And this is the roof of the tunnel. Yeah, you just can do. But can't walk in it.
You can't walk in it? Oh!
Are you okay?
I guess it would be nice to belong.
I didn't know you were watching me.
What did he do?
I put it in my mouth and opened it wide for her to get closer.
He's
Look
mimicking.
over at him, he's got his mouth open real wide.
By myself, only me.